Hi everyone, I'm Phaedra. Welcome or welcome back. Usually on this channel we're out in the garden, but today I have a bit of a harvest from this season and we're going to be preserving it and storing it. Big pots because our first job is tomato sauce. A lovely lady in town gave me all of these amazing tomatoes, and I've also got some in the freezer. This is all I managed to harvest from our 10 plants because the wallabies got almost everything. I'm going to clean my space. The vodka is for something in a minute. Rather than make this any kind of tutorial, I've got an entire video on my channel for this particular sauce recipe. What's going on?
Whoa, hey, don't fret. I have a couple tips for you.
That's on now. So that is going to have to simmer now. It'll take ages. I leave the lid on. Once it starts to simmer, I take the lid off and it's got to reduce down by about half. And then I put all the honey and spices and the rest of the red wine vinegar in. So I'm going to get a big bowl ready so I can just plonk it in when it's ready. Something I love to do is make my own vanilla essence. I'm almost out, so I'm going to show you how to do it. The ingredients are so easy. You want vanilla beans and vodka. I have been making this for years. It's beautiful. I've got so many vanilla beans here right now. They smell amazing. And so you need some kind of little bottles. I use small bottles, but you don't have to. You can use a big bottle. I'm almost out, but you can see it turns this beautiful dark color. All we do, split it down the middle, and I cut mine in half so it fits in my jars. Pop it in and top it up with vodka. I've filled mine up a little bit too much. We'll tip a bit into the next one. Pop a lid or a seal on top. And there you have it. Go make some, it's amazing. Don't be tempted to use anything where you can't get the moisture out. It can go moldy, and then it is a bit of an expensive thing. Vanilla essence is expensive, but this is cheaper than the store-bought one. But yeah, you don't want to mess it up with wet jars. The vanilla would take around 6 weeks to infuse into the vodka, and then you use it exactly the same as you would with any other vanilla essence. So if it says a teaspoon, you use a teaspoon. It's much cheaper, you know exactly what's in it, and it looks gorgeous up on your shelf. And then after you've finished the jar, you can keep them, and then you can turn this into vanilla paste. Like you can use those beans to like mush up and turn into vanilla paste. So it's kind of like the gift that keeps on giving. I'll just stack these away now, leave them for 6 weeks, and then we will have beautiful vanilla essence. You can see that it's already starting to turn the vodka brown. It's starting already. These are sultana grapes and I found them at a shop today. I've been thinking about putting some in, so what I want to do is dehydrate them and see what happens. Like, how long do they take to turn to sultanas? Do we like it? How do they store? Because the sultanas from the store, it's really hard to find them. They don't have oil on it, or they don't have canola oil, which is a seed oil, which isn't very good for you. So let's pop that in, and we're also going to pop a heap of herbs in and get our herb stash replenished for the winter. I do need to take out what's in here. So James has made me a nice dried flower arrangement, and this is some dehydrated pineapple. It was the little pineapple that I grew because it's nice in tea. That was dahlias and feverfew, so both edible. I don't know, maybe I could try them in a tea later, but it is just cute, and you can sprinkle them and put them on cakes and things. It's just a cute little thing to have in your home. They're little and tiny and really sweet. They're really nice. Like, even just to eat them fresh, they're really a really nice grape. Now I'm going to make some zucchini pickles. This is one that a lady in town made and gave Moroni, and he gave to me, and I love them. It takes a little while, so we're going to prep it now and we'll just kind of be working on it through the day. They smell so earthy, like really nice. This is the tricky part, because now what we have to do is peel these. This next job is very messy. Now it should just scrape off, yep. See how that's just like very easily peeling off? It's making me think it might be quicker to actually use a peeler. it.